Finding cheap car insurance rates is not as impossible as it sounds. Regardless of the type of car insurance that is needed, there are providers that offer rates designed to be affordable by many. Apart from that, there are certain practical ways that consumers can do to obtain insurance at cheaper rates. These no-nonsense ways can even be done quickly and without a lot of effort and, therefore, saves time as well. 1. Check car insurance comparison websites. The first thing to do is to find websites that make it easier to compare rates from different insurance providers. Car insurance comparison sites are dedicated to giving consumers ways to save on auto insurance by simply comparing rates from different car insurance companies. These websites typically feature tools that help users come up with insurance providers that offer the best rates for them. Comparison sites often allow users to check the rates for various types of insurance offered in the market. This is done through the use of certain parameters that are dependent on the needs of the consumer. Performing searches through this manner gives immediate results that feature different insurance companies and their offerings alongside one another. 2. Keep a good credit score. Credit scoring is another way to obtain cheap car insurance. A lot of insurance firms today base the cost of an insurance plan on a consumer's credit score. Missing payments can increase insurance premiums. Low credit scores can usually lead to higher insurance payments and can similarly lead to the loss of a policy. While it may be an alien principle for many individuals, a lot of insurance companies have come to a conclusion that if a consumer is financially adept, then he is most likely a responsible homeowner and is dependable behind the wheel. On the whole, a person who has a satisfactory credit rating indicates that he can be trusted upon in several other aspects in his life. 3. Find age-based discounts. Another way to obtain cheap car insurance premiums is to find discounts based on one's age. A number of insurance companies generally provide discounts and lower insurance rates to drivers aged between 25 and 55. There are some insurance providers that offer discounts as high as 20%, depending on certain factors and requirements. Many people are not entirely aware of the reductions in insurance rates for certain age groups, but these have been the policy for many insurance providers. Age-based discounts are typically rooted on the belief that individuals in the above-mentioned age group display more responsibility when on the road as compared to adolescents and the older people. Obtaining cheap car insurance rates during these financial conditions is still very much possible. What's more, cheap in this aspect does not necessarily equate to getting inferior quality services. For the most part, a consumer who stays financially responsible and exerts the effort to preserve a good rating stands to gain from these conscientious acts. In addition, such dependability is not just only for insurance benefits, but equally for their entire lives as well. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.